My name is Christine Mullan. I'm the Product Sustainability Manager for Shaw's Hard Surface Products. I'm excited to share with you today our latest resilient innovation, EcoWorx Resilient. Before I dive in, I wanted to provide a little background for anyone who may not be familiar with Shaw. Shaw Industries has grown globally from our founding in North Georgia more than half a century ago. We have built upon our legacy in carpet to now include floor coverings for every possible place, as Wendy referenced, tile and stone, wood, laminate, resilient. Generations of associates have invented, innovated, and designed products for our evolving customer preferences and needs. Our vision, mission, and values are embedded in all facets of our business. We aim to create a better future for our customers, our people, our company, and our communities with great people, great products, and great service always. We do that through our values of honesty, integrity, and passion. And sustainability is at the heart of all that we do. My team works to create a competitive advantage for Shaw, focus keenly on customer centricity. That customer centricity is further defined in our corporate sustainability strategy. We promise to design products to focus on the well-being of people and the planet, being a positive force in the global effort to mitigate climate change, fuel the circular economy with safe, sustainable, cradle-to-cradle inspired products, and help people achieve their full potential. So as our product offerings have expanded and diversified over the years, that promise has remained unchanged. It's been important to us that the strategies and promises that are made, that we make are kept and focus no matter what, flooring solution we're producing. At the heart of all the work is truly listening to our customers, and trying to understand what that next flooring solution may be and how we can meet those expectations as the market changes. Not that long ago, when talking about sustainability, most people went to topics like energy, water, waste. While those topics are still very important, and Shaw has done a lot of intentional work in these areas over the years. We're seeing an increase in attention to how products impact the people occupying a space. In fact, many A&D firms have, specific goals, commitments as it relates to material health of, products they're specifying. As I look to ensure the products they specify for spaces where people live, work, play, heal, and collaborate support the health and well-being of the occupants. That's kind of where Shaw has that competitive advantage through programs like Cradle to Cradle and our decades of work to ensure products are manufactured in a responsible way. That's, how we differentiate ourselves from our competitors. And at the end of the day, being a sustainably focused manufacturer means considering both people and the planet. For Shaw, that holistic approach came to life in the 1990s when we were inspired to bring something new to the market. In the 90s, everyone had PVC carpet tile, including Shaw, but we had a group of young, optimistic engineers inspired by green chemistry and the cradle-to-cradle design philosophy to bring something new and innovative to the market. We wanted to develop a carpet tile that considered the health and well-being of people, designed to be fully recyclable, and PVC-free. In 1999, we did just that with the launch of EcoWorx Carpet Tile. When the Cradle to Cradle Products Innovation Institute was established, we became the first flooring manufacturer to have a Cradle to Cradle certified product with our EcoWorx Carpet Tile. The design philosophy and certification program consider the 5 key categories of sustainability: material health, clean air and climate protection, product circularity, water stewardship, and social fairness. Our commitment to Cradle has continued and permeates through our business today. Almost 90% of the products we manufacture are Cradle to Cradle certified. Our success with EcoWorx Carpet Tile has continued to drive our innovation at Shaw. EcoWorx became our legacy and an innovation that highlighted our ability to address market demand for carpet tile that delivered performance, design, competitive cost, and sustainability. When we entered the resilient business, that desire to address market expectations in a flooring product category dominated by PVC was strong. How could we deliver a resilient solution that considered all of the cradle to cradle categories you see listed. I'm proud to share that just as we disrupted the commercial flooring industry with EcoWorx Carpet Tile 25 years ago, just last year we disrupted the flooring industry once again by introducing EcoWorx Resilient. Let's dive in to EcoWorx Resilient a little bit more. Customers have been asking for a PVC-free resilient flooring for several years. When it came to resilient flooring, aligning all of those key attributes, it didn't come quite that easy. Sometimes great performance meant a higher cost. Sustainable ingredients made the design capabilities limited, or a great price point may be achieved through sacrificing on performance and design. We wanted something that hit on all of these in order to launch a product. Our ongoing desire to disrupt the resilient business kept us hard at work to find a solution. With EcoWorx Resilient, customers don't have to compromise or just check a few boxes with this resilient flooring solution. Addressing the first concern with the price, the cost is comparable to competitive resilient products offered today. The product is ideal for heavy use in high traffic areas, features our ExoGuard Plus coating for high performance and static load rating. It's light, easy to handle and install, easily maintained, a dry mop and a neutral pH cleaner. The design of our products was very important to our brands. So the EcoWorx Resilient platform features a direct digital print, allows you to minimize pattern repeats with digital printing. And then obviously the most important, sustainability. Our product meets that growing kind of market expectation for PVC-free, as well as material health, climate impact, and circularity goals. The compatible chemistry of our EcoWorx Resilient also is with our carpet tiles. We can actually, through our return reclamation program, take back EcoWorx Resilient and recycle it into our EcoWorx carpet tile backing, so that we're continuing to make more EcoWorx product with the product we're bringing back and diverting from the landfill. We'll move into more about that return scenario a little later, but as you can see here, this platform we're in progress with Cradle to Cradle certification. It's Green Health approved. We have a Declare label and HPD, Green Guard Gold, and a product-specific EPD. And while we're glad to have brought a solution to the market that checks all these boxes, we're hopeful that our customers and end users keep this product in circulation for many years by returning it at the end of its useful life. Just as EcoWorx Carpet Tile was designed from the onset to be fully recyclable, so too is EcoWorx Resilient. The fact that 145 million tons of building-related construction and demolition debris end up in the landfill every year is not something we can sit back and ignore. For more than 2 decades, we've been focused on designing for the circular economy. Our EcoWorx products, both Carpet Tile and Resilient, are made using recycled materials and can be recycled at the end of their use into more EcoWorx products. With our return reclamation program, we're sending that message that we do want it back. Within that return program, what we call the environmental guarantee, where these EcoWorx products will come and facilitate a pickup and reclamation at no cost to the consumer, following our guidelines and minimums. This is a visual overview of the return program, showing that by diverting the EcoWorx Carpet and Resilient from the landfill, we're bringing that back here to Georgia, putting it back into more EcoWorx products, thus reducing the need for virgin raw materials. It helps with your carbon footprint. We want our EcoWorx product back at the end of their useful life. This is a brief snapshot of our launch of EcoWorx Carpet Tile and the different transparency documents and certifications we've become involved with over the years. And you see our launch of EcoWorx Resilient. EcoWorx Resilient has met our customers' expectations. We are thrilled to bring this product to market that does not compromise on performance, design, price, or sustainability. It addresses all of these important attributes equally. We hope to inspire more customers to participate in the circular economy by continuing our work to reclaim and recycle as much EcoWorx as possible. Thank you.